Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are looking at simultaneous equations and solving simultaneous equations simultaneously. Simultaneously means at once. So now the question over here is solve these two equations simultaneously. Equation number 1, 2x plus 2y equals 8. Equation number 2, x equals 5 minus 2y. So what we do is the first one, we label that equation number 1. The second one, we label that equation number 2. Now there's two ways to solve this. One is called elimination method. The other one is called substitution method. The best technique that will work over here is substitution method, because we have x as the subject of the formula over here, and this equation can be put into equation 1 to solve. So use substitution method, and we're going to put equation number 2 into equation number 1. So equation number 1 says 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. That's equation number 1. Now, how are we going to put 2 into 1? See, it says x equals 5 minus 2y. The value of x is equal to 5 minus 2y. So that we will put in place of x, because that is the definition of x. It is 5 minus 2y. So 2 into 5 minus 2y, and then that plus sign 2y is equal to 8. So instead of x, we're writing equation number 2 over here. That is putting equation number 2 into equation number 1. Now there's a group over here, so we need to expand it. The factor 2 will distribute itself to 5 minus 2y. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. And then 2 multiplied by negative 2y, we get minus 4y. So we expanded the group. 2 times 5 is 10. The minus sign comes here. 2 times 2y is 4y, and then that plus sign, and then plus 2y is equal to 8. Now, negative 4y plus 2y. When we solve that, we get minus 2y. Just like negative 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So minus 2y plus minus 4y plus 2y is equal to negative 2y. And not forgetting this 10 over here. So we've reduced our equation to 10 minus 2y is equal to 8. Now, we're going to take the plus 2y that side to make it more easier, because at the moment it is minus. The variable has got a minus sign. So 10 equals 8 plus 2y. And then take the 8 this side. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2y. And then 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2y. Now we can swap the left hand side and the right hand side again. So since 2y is equal to 2, the 2 over here can be taken away, and on the other side it becomes divide by 2. Multiply by 2 on one side. When you take it to the other side, becomes the opposite. Times becomes division. So y will be equal to 2 divided by 2. Y is equal to 1. So here we have found the value of y. But to solve it simultaneously, we have to find the value of both the pronumerals. We don't only have y, we also have x. Now we can use equation number 2. X equals 5 minus 2y. We can use equation number 2 to find the value of x. So x equals 5 minus 2 times y. What is the value of y? We already found it to be equal to 1. So x equals 5 minus 2. So the value of x is equal to 3. Now, if this was an exam question, you just leave your working there, because the examiner will be able to see that you have found the value of x and y. But if you want to make your work more presentable, then what you do is you write down x, comma y, such that x equals 3 and y is equal to 1. So that's making your answer more presentable. X, y such that x equals 3 and y equals 1. Because at x equals to 3 and y is equal to 1, at that particular point, the graphs of 2x plus 2y equals 8 and x equals 5 minus 2y, those two graphs will intersect. So solving the two equations simultaneously is finding the point of intersection of those two graphs. So on the computer, if you generate those two graphs, you'll find that those two graphs intersect each other at the coordinate 3, 1. So I hope you've learned about solving equations simultaneously by substitution method. Thanks for watching.